Welcome, everyone. In this session, we're diving into the powerful trends and cutting-edge innovations that are reshaping the world of change management. As organizations face new challenges and disruptions, staying ahead isn't just about adapting. It's about transforming the way we manage and inspire change. Get ready to explore what's driving successful transformations today and what leaders need to know to thrive tomorrow. Let's quickly outline what we'll be covering in this journey. Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll examine how generative AI and automation are supercharging change management. Then, we'll move into the evolving arena of hybrid and remote leadership, vital for a distributed workforce. Next, we'll spotlight the biggest emerging trends in change strategies. Finally, we'll wrap up with practical takeaways and a modern SWOT analysis you can put to work immediately. To set the stage, let's see how new technologies are redefining what's possible. To kick things off, generative AI and automation are truly revolutionizing change management. Gen AI isn't just a data cruncher. It's rapidly becoming an invaluable partner that provides customized insights, surfaces opportunities, and even suggests the next best actions for engaging people and speeding up transitions. Automation takes this further, handling tasks like communication, scheduling, and reminders, freeing up leaders to focus on the bigger picture. Together, these technologies increase organization-wide agility. But remember, technology alone isn't enough. True transformation only happens when leaders secure buy-in, nurture trust, and keep a clear human focus. So, how are these capabilities helping leaders support their teams every step of the way? Gen AI and automation bring a host of practical tools to the table. And with AI-powered chatbots and pulse surveys, employees get immediate answers and ongoing support. This means less confusion and greater confidence in the process. Automation streamlines repetitive workflows, from scheduling meetings to sending follow-up reminders, minimizing mistakes and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. A Gen AI can mine vast amounts of organizational data to highlight potential risks or opportunities leaders might miss, enabling more proactive and informed decisions. All these improvements add up, but only if we invest in adoption the right way. To unlock the full value of Gen AI and automation, organizations need a sustainable approach. Adoption should be ongoing, not just a flashy pilot. Supporting staff with new skills and candid conversations around job evolution is critical for success. Leaders must connect technology investments to real outcomes. Improvements in efficiency, morale, and business results, all measured and communicated clearly. A Gen AI can personalize learning and support for every employee, smoothing the adoption curve and meeting people where they are. Finally, advanced AI-driven forecasting helps leaders spot potential blockers before they become real issues, enabling preemptive problem-solving. As work itself changes, so must our strategies for leading and communicating. Leading change today often means leading distributed teams. The hybrid and remote revolution presents unique challenges. Building trust and a strong organizational culture remotely starts with openness, regular check-ins, and recognizing wins, large and small. A successful communication isn't just frequent. It's also tailored for virtual platforms, using everything from quick video check-ins to structured digital updates. Leaders must clearly connect each change to the organization's vision and provide direct, practical context for both office-based and remote employees. But what's the difference between hybrid and fully remote playbooks? Let's compare. Let's break it down. Hybrid teams balance in-person and remote work intentionally, creating a sense of flexibility and structure. Remote teams rely completely on digital collaboration and clear routines. Engagement in hybrids blends physical and virtual. Think office events combined with online forums. Fully remote teams lean more on online recognition and digital get-togethers to foster unity. For both, regular feedback and agile touchpoints are critical, but the methods differ. Cross-functional pulse surveys work well for hybrids, while remotes often use direct check-ins and chat-based updates. Beyond workplace structure, what broad trends are reshaping change itself? Here are three major trends shaping the future. A focus on human sustainability, supporting employee well-being, growth, and a strong sense of purpose alongside productivity. The increasing use of real-time analytics, allowing leaders to track sentiment and adapt strategies rapidly, moving away from outdated annual reviews. The adoption of agile methodologies, making change less about rigid plans and more about iterative progress, employee-centered design, and continuous improvement. With these trends in mind, let's look ahead at what's coming next. Looking forward, organizations will need to embrace real-time adaptation using AI and analytics, prioritize human well-being not as an afterthought but as a core value, develop a mindset ready for ongoing, rapid transformation rather than occasional overhauls. Of course, every approach has its strengths and challenges. Let's see how they stack up. Modern change management is a balancing act. Its strengths. Agile methods allow teams to pivot and stay resilient. Human-centric strategies sustain energy and engagement. Weaknesses. Over-reliance on technology or moving too fast can risk shallow adoption and leave people behind. Opportunities. Hybrid work creates space for new leadership models, and digital rituals can strengthen culture even at a distance. Threats. Neglecting the human experience invites fatigue. Success relies on digital literacy and authentic trust, both in the tech and in the people. Let's wrap up with a few key takeaways for your own journey. In summary, to lead change effectively, it's vital to blend agility, empathy, and technological fluency, while keeping people at the absolute center. The future belongs to organizations ready to adapt rapidly, invest in their people, and harness innovations without losing sight of the human element. Thanks so much for joining me today. Keep these trends and strategies in mind, and you'll be ready for whatever change comes next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.